What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to adjust the date and time on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your Windows settings by searching for Settings in your Start menu search. On this window, head to the Time and Language tab located at the left side pane. Select the Date and Time option and proceed to toggle off Set Time Automatically if it's enabled. Toggling off this option will enable the Set the Date and Time Manually option. Select Change, and a Change Date and Time window will open up. Choose the custom time that you want to set, and then click on Change once again. Changing the geographical location will also change the time on your PC according to your local time zone. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.